Mental dice is one of Anverdi's most popular effects. With the new advances in modern technology, we're so excited to bring you the most innovative and technologically advanced version that has ever hit the market. You hand out 3 dice, each of a different color, and with your back turned the whole entire time, you know with 100% accuracy which numbers have been chosen on each die. Here's what we'll do. We'll use these. All right, I will turn around, I won't look, and you guys just go ahead, roll it on the table, cover it up. I want you to say the numbers from 1 through 6. Don't give anything away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do this for me. Just say 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5.
4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5.
You stopped on 5, so you're thinking of 5?
That's crazy.
All right. Let me try something different with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. It's 3.
Is that the number you
rolled? Yeah. What the hell?
I'm not even gonna touch you. I'm not even gonna have you say anything out loud. This is just gonna be between your mind and my mind. And in your mind, just focus on that number real big. 5. There you go. The dice are standard gaming size. They look and feel completely normal, so you can confidently hand them out without raising any suspicion.
What's up with this dice? What's so special about it? Nothing? Okay.
Each die is equipped with advanced wireless charging technology. This tiny receiver has been designed from the ground up, and even with its large, easy-to-read display screen, you can still hide it in or behind almost anything. What was the card that you were all thinking of?
That's 6 spades.
6 of spades. And you dealt your number, you dealt your number, you dealt your number. There's no way I could know what numbers, what card you were going to pick. Let's see.
How did you do that?
We've also included a routine where the spectator rolls the dice to choose random food objects, and in the end, you produce a receipt that shows all the objects they selected. Of course! Denny's! You can get everything at Denny's! Probably don't believe me. What if I have proof? I told you I would pay, right? That has been sitting there this whole entire time. Open it up. Open it up, open it up. Look, it's Denny's. Read what I got.
You got 1 wood grill lobster,
Yeah,
1 fortune cookie, and 1 venti caramel frappuccino.
There are moments in magic that define generations and push the boundaries of what is possible. 6. It was 6. Okay.
That was impressive.
This is Anverdi's Mental Dice.